Welcome to Frog Furnishings and assembly guidance for our Weston Slim 4-foot bench. Be sure to install your bench on a flat and level surface. Unpack the contents of your container box and ensure all parts are included. Please read the assembly instructions fully and follow all directions. This bench includes 2 slim bench legs, 1 slim bench middle leg, 1 Weston Slim horizontal brace, 1 4-foot slim bench seat, and 18 number 8 2.5-inch screws. The Weston Slim Bench also comes in a 6-foot model. Recommended tools for assembly include a drill with a Phillips bit, a tape measure, and a level. 2 people are recommended for assembly. Begin by placing the bench seat upside down on a flat surface. Position the 2 outer legs and the middle leg evenly along the underside of the seat, ensuring proper spacing and alignment. Attach each leg to the seat using 4 number 8 2.5-inch screws. Do not over-tighten. For the middle leg, the pre-drilled holes can be found on the sides of the bench seat, 2 on each side. Next, install the horizontal brace. Align the brace with the lower portion of the middle leg and the inner faces of the 2 outer legs. Fasten through the pre-drilled holes using number 8 2.5-inch screws. Finally, take the same number 8 2.5-inch screw and drill it into the single pre-drilled hole in the center of the horizontal brace. Once all components are secured, carefully flip the bench onto its legs and ensure it sits level and stable. Assembly is now complete. Enjoy your premium Frog Furnishings Weston Slim Bench.